Good morning everyone. मैं लखनऊ मीना असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चौमेला इलाहाबाद। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन जॉन डन की नेक्स्ट पोइम गो एंड कैच ए फॉलिंग स्टार। ठीक है, अब पहले पोइट के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में जान लेते थोड़ा सा। John Donne's father died when John was 4 years old. He was brought up by his mother. He went to college with the plan of becoming a lawyer or priest. He accompanied the Earl of Essex on a naval expedition to Cadiz in 1596. And to the Azores in 1597. In 1601 he was appointed secretary to Sir Thomas Egerton. He fell in love with Anne Moore, one of his employer's relatives. He married her. This marriage cost Donne his job for nearly 13 years. He and his wife had a very difficult time. Donne finally became a priest in 1614. He wrote a lot of religious prose. His poems are varied in subject matter. Sometimes they deal with love and women, sometimes with God and death. ठीक है, he has a complicated way of saying things in his poetry. He does not usually make use of simple, direct statements or images. As a poet, Donne's recognition came after his poems were published in 1630. During his lifetime, his poems were circulated in manuscript form and were admired by the discerning. ठीक है, अब ये तो हो गया पोइट का इंट्रोडक्शन। अब देखिए थोड़ा सा पोइम के बारे में भी। देखिए पोइम के बारे में भी जान लीजिए थोड़ा सा। गो एंड कैच ए फॉलिंग स्टार इज ए पोइम अबाउट द इनकॉन्स्टेंसी ऑफ फेयर वुमेन। ए मैन may catch a falling star, beget a mandrake plant with a child, prop the past tale who crept the devil's foot, hear the mermaid singing, he immune to the sin of envy and find out what advances an honest mind. ठीक है, but he cannot find a woman who is both true and beautiful. In regarding a poem by Donne, it is necessary to pay attention to the pauses, sometimes indicated by commas within the line and sometimes by expressing a single thought in short separate lines. For instance, yet she will be fullest or 2 or 3. I come is expressed in 3 lines with 3 comma in the last line. It is the halting rhythm of the developing thought. ठीक है, अब देखिए the theme of the poem is woman's inconstancy. The poet mentions many impossible things and say that just as these things are impossible, so also it is impossible to find a fair and faithful woman. ठीक है, it is impossible to catch a falling star. It is equally possible to produce a human body from the root of the mandrake plant, which resemble the human shape. ठीक है, it is impossible to tell where the past years have gone, or who clove the devil's foot, or to listen to the music of the mermaids, or to change human nature so as not to feel the pain of envy or to find out. ठीक है, मरमेड्स यहाँ पर एक फेबुलस क्रिएचर है जस्ट एज दी थिंग्स आर इम्पॉसिबल सो आल्सो फेयर एंड फेथफुल वुमेन इज इम्पॉसिबल। ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। इफ ए मैन इज बोर्न विद द पावर टू सी स्ट्रेंज साइड्स एंड इवन इनविजिबल ऑब्जेक्ट, ही rides 10,000 days and nights and travels all over the world till his hair turn grey, and if he on return tells me all the wonderful things and happenings, he will not be able to swear and all that he ever found during his travels a fair and faithful woman। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए। If anyone finds a woman who is both fair and true, the poet says he would go to her as if on a pilgrimage on to some holy place. Such a woman would be worthy of worship। ठीक है, however the poet feels that such a journey, even if it be at the next door, would be futile. The woman might have been faithful at the time when you met her, but she could not be faithful to you for long. By the time you write your letter to her, she would have been false to you and she would have had 2 or 3 new lovers। ठीक है, अब ये हो गया पोएम का इंट्रोडक्शन। अब देखिए पोएम की एक्सप्लेनेशन, टेक्स्ट के बारे में देखिए। Go and catch a falling star, get with child mandrake root. Tell me where all past years are, who lack left the devil's food. Teach me to hear mermaids singing, or to keep up and bees stinging, and find what mind serves to advance on honest mind। ठीक है, अब देखिए फर्स्ट टेक्स्ट जो स्टैंजा है उसकी वो देखिए मीनिंग्स देखिए। पहले गो एंड कैच ए फॉलिंग स्टार, गेट विथ चाइल्ड मैंड्रेक रूट, टेल मी वेयर ऑल पास्ट ईयर्स आर। इसमें फॉलिंग मीन्स है गिरता हुआ, गेट मीन्स पैदा करना, मैंड्रेक मीन्स है ए विशाख मूल नामक पौधा, ए प्लांट कॉल्ड एट्रोपा मैंड्रागोआ। ठीक है, क्लेप्ट मीन्स है चीरना। ठीक है, अब देखिए टेच मी टू हियर मरमेड सिंगिंग, टू कीप ऑफ एनवेज स्टिंगिंग, एंड फाइंड व्हाट माइंड सर्व टू एडवांस एन हॉनेस्ट माइंड। डेविल मीन्स शैतान, गेंट, मरमेड मीन्स जलपरी, मत्स्य कन्या। ठीक है, हाफ फिश एंड हाफ वुमेन। अब देखिए इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए। दीज आर दी ओपनिंग लाइन्स ऑफ डन्स पोएम गो एंड कैच ए फॉलिंग स्टार। द पोएट शोज हिज डिस्ट्रस्ट फॉर वुमेन। ही बिलीव दैट ए वुमेन हु इज ब्यूटीफुल कैन नेवर ही फेथफुल टू हर लवर और हस्बैंड। ठीक है, here the poet produces a list of impossible things. It is impossible to catch a falling star. It is equally impossible to produce a human body from the root of mandrake plant। ठीक है, mandrake plant which resembles the human shape। ठीक है, no one can show where the past years have gone, where there is no one in the world who can tell the name of the person who spilled the foot of Satan। ठीक है, it is also not possible to hear the song of the mermaids। No one can change human nature so as not to feel the pain of envy or to find out the reasons which make a man honest। Just as the things are impossible, so also a fair and faithful woman is impossible। ठीक है, अब से आपको लर्न करना है।